Hello everyone, my name is Sylvia Zurita, and today I'm going to explain to you how Closet Factory builds their closets. The first thing I'm going to tell you is that these closets are 100% custom made, meaning that we built everything from scratch here in-house, and we don't have any prefabricated parts and pieces. The second thing is that all these systems are floor-based. What this means to you is that all the weight of the clothes that you're going to store in these closets is going to be on the floor and not on the wall. The way we build these units is that we're going to have two vertical panels for each section. And to give structure and stability to the unit, we're going to add 3 shelves: top, middle, and bottom shelf. These are going to be fixed, meaning that you're not going to be able to move them. Now, everything in between these shelves are accessories that are going to be adjustable, like the rods or the shelves, as you see here. You're going to move the pins up, and then you're going to set up the shelf at the height that you will like based on your needs. Another feature that Closet Factory offers to their clients are the drawers. These are fantastic. First of all, these are 100% extendable, meaning that you're going to be able to see exactly what you store in here. And also, it has undermount slides and are soft close. Each drawer can hold up to 100 pounds. What Closet Factory does is that gives designers the control of the dimensions of the drawers. The designers can determine, together with the client, the width of the drawer, the depth of the drawer, and the height of the drawer. Right here, we have a very basic example, or let's say standard example, of 4 drawers. But we can either add more drawers to this drawer bag, or we can take drawers off. Sometimes clients would like to have 1 extra drawer for jewelry tray, which is fantastic. It's a very nice accessory that we can offer here. Or we can stay standard and basic and just add what we need. Some accessories that we can add to these units are tie racks that you can pull out, belt racks like this one here, and the most popular accessory that we offer to our clients, or the one they like a lot, is the leg rod. These pull here, we can pull it out, and it will help you hang the clothes that you will probably wear next day. So in the morning, you're ready to wear the clothes that you selected the night before. Another way of using this pole here, which is the valet rod, as I said, is to hang the clothes that we bring back home from the dry clean. So you can hang it here, and then you can set up these clothes and organize it in your closet. With this, I'm going to say goodbye to you. I hope that I give you enough information for you to learn a little bit more about a custom closet that Closet Factory can offer you. Looking forward to hear from you. And if you would like to make any comments, don't forget that you can send me a text message or just type your little comment below the video. Have a wonderful afternoon, and I hope to listen. Looking forward to hear from you. Bye-bye.